Hello and welcome to our channel. We're so happy to have you here. This channel is made for English learners, especially beginners. Here you can learn English step by step with simple stories, daily tips, and fun lessons. In today's video, we will talk about a very important topic. Use your time wisely. Time is very important. Everyone has 24 hours in one day. But some people do many things and others do very little. Why? The answer is how they use their time. Some people plan their day. They wake up early. They eat breakfast, study, work, and rest. They don't waste time on things that are not important. Other people watch too much TV, play games all day, or sleep too much. Then they say, I have no time. To use your time well, you can. Make a list of what you want to do each day. Do the important things first. Take short breaks, but don't get lost in your phone. Sleep enough, but not too much. Don't say, I will do it later. Do it now. Time is like money. If you waste it, it is gone. But if you use it well, you will feel happy and proud. So take care of your time. It is your life. Good use of time helps you grow. If you want to learn English, play music, or get a good job, you need to use your time every day. Every small step matters. You don't need to study for 5 hours. Just 20 minutes a day is good if you do it every day. Here are some examples. Want to learn English? Read one short story every day. Want to be strong? Exercise for 10 minutes each morning. Want to be happy? Spend time with family or walk outside. Say no to time wasters. Too much TikTok? Always scrolling on Instagram? These apps can take your time. You think it's just 5 minutes, but it becomes 2 hours. You can try this tip. Set a timer. Work or study for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro method. It really helps. Your time is your future. How you use it today decides your tomorrow. Do you want to look back and say, I did nothing? Or do you want to say, I used my time, I learned, I grew, I am proud? The choice is yours. Sometimes we feel lazy or tired. That's okay, we are human. But even on lazy days, try to do one small good thing. Maybe read one page of a book, clean your desk, write one sentence in English, drink water and stretch. Help your friend or family. These small things make a big difference over time. Successful people use time well. They don't wait for a good day. They make today a good day. They don't say, one day I will try. They say, I will try today. Ask yourself, what did I do today? Did I learn something new? Did I help someone? Did I move closer to my dream? If your answer is yes, then you are using your time well. You don't need to be fast. You need to be steady. Some people run fast, but they stop quickly. Others move slowly, but they never stop. In the end, the person who keeps going wins. Think of time like water. If you waste it, it disappears. But if you save it, it can grow plants, clean things, and give life. Daily time habits, easy ideas. 1. Morning. Wake up at the same time. Make your bed. Drink water. Say, today I will use my time well. 2. Daytime. Study or work in short times, 20-30 minutes. Rest 5-10 minutes. Repeat 2-3 times. Don't check your phone too much. 3. Evening. Think about what you did today. Write one sentence in your notebook. Read or listen to something good. Sleep on time. Start small, but start. Don't wait for a perfect day. There is no perfect day. Just begin with one small action. Every good thing starts small. A tree starts from a seed. Your success starts from a good use of your time. Every person has a dream. Some want to speak English. Some want to travel. Some want to help others. But a dream needs action, and action needs time. If you give time to your dream every day, it will grow. If you wait and do nothing, it will die. So don't just dream, use your time to build your dream. What is life? Life is not just years. Life is what you do each day, each hour, each moment. When you waste time, you waste life. When you use time well, you build a better life. So be careful. Time is your real wealth. Your body also needs good use of time. Sleep on time. Eat meals at the right time. Walk and stretch during the day. Relax your mind with rest and silence. Don't just work. Don't just scroll. Make time for your health, because health is your power. Time is also love. If you give time to people, they feel loved. Call your parents, talk to your child, sit with your friend. Send a kind message. These small things take little time, but give big happiness. Use your time to build strong hearts. Some things look fun, but they steal your time. Endless social media gossip, negative talk, overthinking. Say no to things that don't help you. Say yes to things that build your mind, heart, and future. Do you want to learn English, a skill, or anything new? Then give it time every day. Read or listen in small pieces. Write a little. Think in the new language. Learning is not magic. It is time plus practice, plus patience. Work becomes easy when you respect time. Start on time. Make a to-do list. Do the hard things first. Turn off distractions. Don't wait for motivation. Just begin, and motivation will come. Peace is not only in quiet places, peace is also in a quiet mind. Take 5 minutes of silence, breathe deeply. Say thanks for life. Read something kind. A few peaceful minutes each day can bring calm to your full week. Time is your power. Some people have money, some have strength, but everyone has time. Time is the one thing you always have. How you use it makes you strong or weak. Time is your true power. Use it with care. What you do daily shapes you. It's not what you do one time. It's what you do every day. A little reading, a little exercise, a little kindness, a little English. These small daily things shape your future. Time is the tool. Use it well. Time and your mind. Your mind needs good food, just like your body. What you watch, read, and think fills your mind. Read positive things. Listen to good words. Think kind thoughts. Don't fill your mind with fear or hate. Use your time to grow a strong and healthy mind. 1 minute matters. People say, I don't have time. But even 1 minute can help. In 1 minute you can smile at someone. Drink water. Say thank you. Breathe and relax. Learn one new word. Use your minutes well. They build your hours and your life. Choose what matters most. Not everything needs your time. Some things are not important. Ask yourself, is this helping me grow? Is this helping someone else? Is this making me better? Give your time to things that matter. Leave the rest behind. Your time is yours. Many people want your time, apps, shows, news, noise. But remember, your time is yours. You choose what to do. You choose what to watch. You choose what to think. Don't let others control your time. Be the boss of your minutes. Time is now. The best time to start is now, not tomorrow, not next week, not someday. Today is here. Now is the chance. Take a small step. Say yes to your future. Because the best use of time is to live fully in the present. Time and your goals. Your goals need care, just like plants. If you give them time, they grow. If you forget them, they die. Work on your goals every day, even for a short time. Small steps bring big changes. Time and discipline. Discipline means doing what is right, even when you don't feel like it. When you have discipline, you don't waste time. You study when it's time to study. You exercise when it's time to exercise. You rest when it's time to rest. Discipline is the bridge between your time and your success. Time and gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. When you are thankful for your time, you use it better. Say, I'm thankful for today. Say, I'm thankful for this hour. Thankfulness helps you see how valuable your time really is. Learn from the past, live in the present. The past is gone. You can't get that time back, but you can learn from it. Use the lessons from yesterday to make today better. The best time to live is now. Time and rest. Rest is not wasting time. Rest gives you energy to use your time well. Sleep enough at night. Take short breaks in the day. Stop before you feel too tired. Good rest makes good work. Time and focus. Focus means giving all your attention to one thing. When you focus, you use time well. No phone while studying. No talking while working. Just one task at a time. 1 hour of focus is better than 3 hours of distraction. Time and opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to do something good. Sometimes an opportunity comes only once. If you waste time, you might lose it. Be ready to take action when the right time comes. Time and helping others. Helping others is a good use of time. Help a friend with homework. Help at home. Listen to someone's problem. When you give time to others, you make the world better. Time and self-care. Self-care means taking care of yourself. Take a shower, eat healthy food, walk in fresh air, learn something new. If you take care of yourself, you can use your time even better. Your time, your legacy. Legacy means what you leave behind for others. Your time creates your legacy. When you use your time to learn, help, and grow, people will remember you. Use your time to leave something good in the world. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you learn English and also reminded you how important your time is. Remember, your time is your life. Use it to learn, grow, and make your dreams real. Even small steps every day can make a big change in your future. Share in the comments. How will you use your time wisely today? If you enjoyed this video, like it. Comment below, subscribe for more easy English lessons and stories. See you in the next video.